So I've been working on this engine for a while today, just kind of tinkering around and playing with the calibration and doing stuff like that. And it's an impressive little engine. This is a K-Series, K20 Honda engine. One of the things that I think I'm most impressed with by this engine is this is an engine that our students built. In our engine blueprinting course, the students learn the skills required to build something like this, and it's so cool to see guys do it and then be able to put it on the dyno and see, 8,500 RPM. When an hour ago it was still being buttoned up from the pile of parts. And so the engine building class is so neat because we get to do things that you just can't get that kind of experience anywhere else. It takes years and years of somebody's time to get the kind of concentrated experience that they get in just 3 short days. We learn what kind of things we're supposed to be looking at and measuring, and how to measure them, and what kind of tools to use and how to use the tools properly. And we spend a lot of time talking about fasteners and properly tensioning those fasteners, and the difference between stretching a bolt versus using a torque value. And we do some specific experiments to really show the differences between how you can get fooled using things like a torque wrench. To be able to come here and do this in a structured and safe environment with guys like myself or Sean Powers, such an amazing experience. And the facilities and the tools and the equipment that we have that allows us to do that, just you can't do it anywhere else. A lot of what we talk about in the class is going through and understanding what it means to blueprint an engine. There's a specification, there's a minimum tolerance, there's a maximum tolerance, and there's something in the middle. And so as the engine builder, we have to decide where we want this engine to end up. Do we want all of the tolerances to be min spec, or all to be max spec, or all in the middle? And what are the reasons behind those choices? And how do the OEMs go about breaking in an engine? We'll get the thing running finally. And so these are all topics that we cover throughout the several days in the class. There's just so much cool things to learn about and see and do.